Changing your phone number on your iCloud account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Open your web browser and go to the iCloud website. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate and click on your account name or profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Update phone number. In the account settings section, look for the option labeled Reachable out of phone numbers. Click on it to edit your current phone number. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Delete the old phone number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new phone number, look for a Save or Done button and click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a verification code via text to confirm the new number. Now your phone number is updated on your iCloud account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Apple's support page for further assistance.